3-Minute French, Course 4. Bonjour et bienvenue. Hello and welcome to this French course. 3-Minute French Course 4 leads on from courses 1, 2 and 3, and it contains lessons 27 to 35. The first 3 courses were all about building a good base vocabulary of common words, phrases and simple structures. Course 4 builds on everything you've learnt so far, but it begins to venture out into more conversational language, and you'll also learn some very useful learning techniques. The same 3-minute languages method is used throughout, so you can complete the lessons in short bursts, and you'll get the familiar practice sections at the end of each lesson. We start this course by reviewing all the words and phrases we've learnt so far, to ensure you're ready to jump into Course 4. At the start of this course, we'll delve into looking at how to form questions to ask people how they are. This will also lead us on to our first learning technique, which is installing a motor. This technique will help you to boost your confidence in speaking to people when you're in a French-speaking country. Just like in the other courses, you'll be learning lots of vocabulary that you can add to your ever-growing wealth of linguistic knowledge, and you'll be given plenty of opportunities to put it all into practice. You'll learn some very useful adjectives, and you'll also get some more vocabulary expansion sheets full of words and phrases for talking about parts of the body and medicine. Keeping on the theme of asking questions, we'll learn some new question words and some useful phrases to keep in our arsenal that will speed up how we speak. This will lead on to an extremely useful section called Building Structures. We'll be looking at how the entire French language is formed from a certain number of structures, and how these structures can be broken down easily into slots. All we have to do is put words into each slot, and you have yourself a sentence. So that's just a few of the things that we'll be learning in this course, but here are just a few more things to whet your appetite. Talking about the past. Different ways to ask how somebody is. How to address people and introduce yourself in French. Using the object pronoun le, meaning it. Looking at the difference between encore and un autre. And much more. Alors, commençons. So let's begin.